Alright, the person I did my letter of gratitude for was my mother. The reason for this is because she takes an incredible amount of pride in being there for her children and setting an example and to help those who listen to her on the radio to know that she's always there. She's always has a positive outlook on things. She always knows how to make things always seem like they're going to be okay, and that's comforting for people, including me, because I always have her talking to me, being inspirational, being my inspiration, and that's something that says a lot about her character. And also, I can never imagine or truly appreciate the trial she went through just to get me and my siblings to this point in our lives, and I honestly wish I could be man enough to tell her this right now. She's always there for me and my siblings, even when some parts of me knows that she wishes that she didn't have to deal with me or them, because we always fight each other, we always make problems that she always puts enormous amounts of efforts in trying to prevent. That's my fault, and I feel like I can't explain it to her enough. My mother is always willing to make the example and to show that points in life aren't always fulfilling, but she always tells me that the little things in life are what make it so special and what makes it mean more. These acts of pure loyalty to those who she can help and to those who she always can inspire to get back up again, that's always going to have a major part in my life and how I act. And how it affects me is it makes me put effort to earn a place that can make me set a good example for others who can also learn something from her. What I try to do right now, because of my mother's hard work, is always makes me feel like there's a void in me that's always going to be complete and full of so much inspiration that I can show people what she has done for me and what she has done for so many other people that are willing to listen to what she has to say. And that's always going to be right in the back of my head, knowing that she's always been there, knowing that she's been there to inspire others, and knowing that she's always there to not be afraid to speak her mind and stay calm in any situation, no matter how aggravating or no matter how much stress it puts on her. And what she's gone through way before I was born, that measures almost nothing to what she can do for people right now. And that makes me feel special. And this letter wasn't written from the thought of how I can't always thank her, but it's how I know people always feel grateful for what she can do and what she has done for those who are willing to be there for her when she's been there for them. And that's why I'm very grateful to have her as my mother, because sometimes I feel I can't always be the best son or the best child, as a matter of fact, but she's always going to be there for me, even when I don't deserve it. And that concludes my gratitude letter.